Today, we're exploring the journey of Tyler Chase, a name that recently sparked widespread concern after viral videos surfaced showing the former child star in a heartbreaking new light. Best known for his role as Martin Qwerly on Nickelodeon's Ned's Declassified School Survival Guide, his career once seemed full of promise. So, where is Tyler Chase now? Let's find out. Tyler Chase rose to fame in the mid-2000s, playing the fast-talking, high-energy friend to the main characters on one of Nickelodeon's most popular sitcoms. After the show ended in 2007, he continued to pursue acting, appearing in various commercials and independent projects. However, behind the scenes, he faced significant personal hurdles. He has been open about his struggles with bipolar disorder, a condition that his family says has made it difficult for him to maintain stability and manage necessary medications. The narrative around his life took a sobering turn in late 2023 when a different Tyler Chase, a 22-year-old man from Oregon, was mistakenly declared dead from a drug overdose, only to be found alive months later. While this case was a separate instance of mistaken identity, it reignited public interest in the former actor. Unfortunately, the real Nickelodeon star's situation grew increasingly dire. By September 2025, social media influencers spotted him living on the streets of Riverside, California, looking disheveled and struggling with his mental health. Where is Tyler Chase now? As of now, Tyler Chase is currently homeless in California, though a significant community effort is underway to help him. A viral video posted just today showed him still living on the streets, prompting a fresh wave of concern from fans. Earlier this fall, an influencer launched a GoFundMe campaign to assist him, which raised over $1,200. However, the fundraiser was deactivated after Chase's mother reached out, explaining that what he truly needs is intensive medical intervention rather than cash, as his health challenges make it impossible for him to manage funds or medication on his own. His family has publicly appealed for privacy and specialized treatment to help him stabilize. Despite his circumstances, he has been seen in recent videos expressing excitement that people still remember his work on Nickelodeon, even telling passers-by that he is still auditioning for movies. His former co-stars, including Daniel Lee, have shared crushing updates on his status, joining a chorus of voices calling for better long-term support for former child actors. Tyler Chase has transformed from a beloved television star into a symbol of the mental health and addiction crises that often affect those who enter the spotlight at a young age. While he remains in a vulnerable position on the streets of California, his family and a dedicated group of supporters are working to secure the medical support he needs to find his way back. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals from high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.